In this video, I'm going to show you how to find WWE SuperCard QR codes. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so in order to find these SuperCard QR codes, there's two sites I recommend. So the first one is over at escapistmagazine.com. So this is the link here. And then once you're over here, we want to do a search. So click on the search icon and then type in WWE SuperCard QR code and then hit go. And then click on the first link here, WWE SuperCard QR codes. I'm making this video in May 2025, so this will change depending when you watch this video. Now scroll down and just go ahead and look at all the different QR codes. They even show you how to use the QR code as well. So if I keep scrolling down, you'll see there's one QR code here. So this is for themed cards by the looks of it, etc. And you keep scrolling down and look at the rest. All right, the other site is destructoid.com. So head on over here and then do another search and type in WWE QR code. So WWE SuperCard QR code and then click search. Then from here, click on the first link here, WWE SuperCard QR codes, May 2025 again. Then once you're here, just scroll down and check out all the different QR codes that you can use for SuperCard